My name is Dale. I'm 67 years old. I came to Dr. Ting 2 years ago, recommended by my dentist, Dr. Vu Lee. Dr. Vu said that my breathing was being prohibited because of my teeth arrangement, overbite, and I had a very small palate. He recommended Dr. Ting, who does experts with adults with this condition. This is the fourth time I had braces in my life. I had it first when I was young, about 10 to 13 years old. I had it again for an injury in my mouth, and then the third time was a Invisalign that just straightened my teeth after 2 years, and I was really disappointed. Dr. Vu Lee said that Dr. Ting is an expert with this, and he could spread my mouth open. When I met with Dr. Ting, he was concerned because my jawbone was so thick that he wasn't too sure if he could spread it out. He did, and I'm very pleased with his work, and I'm almost done, and I'm very happy with the results.